Have you ever felt trapped, like the weight of the world was pressing down on you, making every movement seem impossible? Let me tell you a story about a tiny seed that defied all odds. This tiny seed was buried under a heavy stone. People walked over it, oblivious to the life struggling beneath their feet. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. In the darkness, the seed felt immense pressure. It could have given up, but deep inside it remembered the sun. It remembered the rain. It remembered the life it was meant to be. Slowly, patiently, with unwavering determination, it pushed. It pushed against the cold, hard stone. For a long time, nothing seemed to change. The stone was unyielding. But the seed didn't stop. It kept pushing, believing that one day it would break free. Then one day there was a tiny crack, then a louder one. The stone shifted, and a fragile sprout emerged, reaching for the light. Against all odds, it grew. It grew stronger, taller, and more beautiful than anyone could have imagined. So, if you ever feel buried, remember the tiny seed. Remember its determination. Remember its strength. Because no matter how heavy the stone, no matter how dark the surroundings, you have the power to break through. You have the power to reach for the light. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired.